Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is spinach chicken, or you can call it as Palak chicken. So let's get started. First we'll heat the kadai or pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute it for 5 seconds. Now we will add 1 kg chicken. We'll saute it together for about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, 2 numbers of onion, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can add salt according to your taste. Mix all the ingredients really well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now we'll close the lid and let it cook for 30 minutes in low flame. Stir it with 10 minutes of intervals. Now our gravy is being thicker. Once the oil starts popping up, we will add 1 cup of smashed yogurt to it, which makes it even tastier and even it gives a creamy texture to the gravy. Mix it all together really well. Now I'll keep it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Again, when the oil pops up, we are going to add our main ingredient, that is called as spinach. You can call it as palak, for 1 cup. Without mixing or anything, we are just going to keep it to simmer for about 2 minutes now. After 2 minutes, we are going to mix it all together really well. Again, simmer it for about 1 minute. Our palak chicken, or you can call it a spinach chicken, is getting ready. We'll garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Our palak chicken is now ready to serve, or you can call it a spinach chicken also. Side it up with your favorite rotis or rice. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.